Hey YouTube's Manny from Weezy Weeds with another video. So I was mowing this property. I just got here, it's my second property. It's about 10 in the morning. First property took a little bit longer than expected, but you can kind of see where I started to mow and I got a little thirsty, so I came to get my cooler, get a drink, and now trying to start my John Deere X350, and I'm getting this parking code, and you can tell my parking is on, but when I'm trying to release it and turn it on, it won't start. And honestly, it's showing me the parking code. So this is the parking brake. So what you gotta do is just make sure it's all connected, and you can see it right here. Got disconnected. Connect that back, and it should start. This is the first time it's happened. When I googled a few things and tried figuring out what the issue, what it could possibly mean, and I'm like, let me just check, make sure everything's connected, and you can see that it stopped blinking. So release, and it should turn on.